This is a race, a swimming race. Now, the water is flowing in the opposite direction. There are million plus participants. They are going for a gold. They are going for victory. The victory is this, and only one will make it. Or maximum maybe two will make it. Now, this race, hypothetically just assume, this is a race which goes on for 2 days. Sometimes even more. Millions of participants. Only this is the prize. Only one or two, very rarely three. By the way, in this race, if a person does not win, does not complete, he dies. This is a do or die kind of a race. What do you think? What are the things needed to win this race? Hypothetical race.
Good reflexes.
Good reflexes. Equipment is needed. If you don't have speed, what will happen? Slow down, you're dead. Brain, motivation. Wonderful race. You have given me all these answers. Now if I have to tell you, each and every one of you have already participated in a race like this. It is true. You are all sitting here because you won this race. What is this race? Anybody knows this race? This is fertilization. This is birth. This is how you were born, Fauzan. These are sperms. Sperms released from your parents' body, from your father's body, enters your mother's body during a certain time, and the fluid which is flowing opposite, they has to go and meet in the fallopian tube. It has to travel. A single cell. That time, Afifa, you are now trillions of cells. That time you were a single cell. You went and joined the egg, ovum. This is reproductive system. Riyaz, you have participated in this race. You are sitting here because you are a winner. Millions of your brothers and sisters sacrificed. You beat all of them. That time you were not this big, you are not so complex. Even with single cell you were a winner. You have all participated and you are a winner. From birth, then what happened? What went wrong? You have the reflexes, equipment, speed, everything. You know the ultimate success, easy. Determination. Who said determination? Strong determination. And now, coach, I am not well, I will not attend morning rituals today. Come on, everything, each and everything. This is called as reproductive system. This is how a mother gives birth, and all of you are alive. This is you. Take care. Yeah, how many are ready to change now? Each and every one of you were born as champion. What happened? Are you ready to become champion again? To now, life. Let's understand life. Now you are all living, so this is life. What is life? Life starts with and ends on. Life is this distance between birth and death. Now, when you were born, was it in your control? No, you don't have any control. Death. Do you have any control on your death? Death is also no control, correct? So no control in birth, no control in death. What do we have control on?
Like what we do.
Wonderful. What do we do? So this is called as C. From birth to death, we have C. What is that? Choices. We could not choose our birth, correct? We are not going to choose our death. But now in the middle, what do you have? Choices. Your life is all about choices. Now, depending upon the choices, you will end up like this, either one of those. If you make the right choices as a champion. The choices are good and bad. If you have a great choices, you become champion. This question, my coach Clinton asked me this question. Now, tell me names of some successful people whom you know. Mahatma Gandhi ji, good example. Then Ratan Tata,
King Luther,
King Martin Luther. Why do you know all these people? Why? We studied about them. But now you yourself do not know your own grandparents, great-great-grandparents, or their great-great-grandparents. But you know about Maharana Pratap. You know about Shivaji. You know about Indira Gandhi. You know about these people. You do not know your own predecessors. Why? They did not leave any impact. And if you don't leave an impact, no one cares. My coach asked me, and I'm asking you, when you were born, you cried. Every baby, when it's alive, the moment it comes out of the mother womb, what does it do? Cries. And even if it doesn't cry, the doctor will give one slap and make it cry. Correct? Isn't it? They have to cry and start using the respiratory system. That's a different thing. But they cry. And everybody around, what did they do? You celebrated, you cried. Now, when you die, how it should be? You should smile. And many should cry. My coach asked me this question. Today, if you have to die, how many people will actually cry for you? If you have impacted their life, they will cry for you. I thought about it and I said, my mom and dad, my wife, my daughter. That's it. I was having tears in my eyes. I thought, what a life. If I die right now, only 2 people. Is it like living a champion? That is not about how you live like a champion. You want to change that? And I tell you one thing, if today I die, I'm quite sure, I'm not sure how many will cry, but at least people will feel it. At least this number runs in at least in few thousands. Few thousand people will say, Coach, you impacted my life in a small or a big way. Or in a tiny way. From that particular moment, I changed the way how I am. Now I'm living like a champion. Otherwise, you know what life will be all about? You want to know? The world has got billions of people, and people die every day like a bloody cockroach. Have you seen cockroach? The moment you put on the light, they will go and hide. Cockroaches have been surviving. You want to survive or you want to thrive? I cried that day. I said, I'm going to change this. I don't want to die just like that. A wonderful life living as a champion. 4 or 5 people. Come on. Start changing it. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.